ladies and gentlemen, we are now heading towards the Ghost Town Bakery. Yes, the Ghost Town Bakery, which is located not too far away from where I work, so, but we're not going inside just yet. No, that's going to be one of the last things we're going to get before I go home. We're going to be heading to, Fiesta Village later on before we get to the last item we're going to review here. Well, actually, two. There's going to be one on the way home that I got to try out on the way out as well. And we're going to have the Boysenberry Waffle first. We'll be heading to the bakery and we'll see you guys in a bit. Boysenberry Waffle. Alright guys, we got the Boysenberry Waffle. Right here we're going to find a place to sit. But I guess you can say today.
Gentlemen, boys and girls, in just 10 minutes, Knott's Berry Farm presents our Boysenberry Festival Pie Eating Contest right here at the Calico Mine Stand. Bring the whole family and your appetites for your big chance to compete in this fun-filled and berry-filled pineapple. That's the Boysenberry Pie Eating Contest starting in just 10 minutes.
Everyone's getting ready for the pie eating contest. I'm gonna have to figure out a place for me to sit. Alright, looks like I'm gonna. You're right. Here I go. There we go. I'm gonna chow down on this waffle. Oh, the truth here. God. Top 5 items right here. Who thought this waffle would be anything good? I'll give you guys my overall ranking next on Saturday or Sunday. I'll see you guys for pie eating. Oh, and wondering about the ranking. About I gotta think about it here. 8.5 out of 10. Very well done. Take us some pie eating.